Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today I am going to take your class 3 computer class. So everyone take out your class 3 book. So as we can see, your first chapter is computer system. Your first chapter is computer system. So let's start from here. What is now computer system? Okay. A computer system is one that has the ability to take input, process them, and produce output. It consists of two main components, hardware and software. That means in our mother tongue we can say that যে কম্পিউটার যে সিস্টেম রয়েছে তার কিন্তু সক্ষমতা রয়েছে সে ইনপুট থেকে শুরু করে প্রসেস করে এবং আউটপুট কিন্তু প্রডিউস থেকে শুরু করে সমস্ত কিছু করতে পারে। এটিকে দুভাগে ভাগ করা হয়। It consists two main components, hardware and software. Okay, later we will discuss about the input, output, hardware and software. Okay, now first one is we can see that computer hardware. Now what is computer hardware? All the parts of a computer that we can see and touch are called hardware. Okay, remember it that all the parts of a computer that we can see in your mother tongue we can see that we can say that আমরা চোখে দেখতে পারি এবং ছুঁতে পারি, টাচ করতে পারি, ফিল করতে পারি ফিজিক্যালি, তাকে বলা হয় কিন্তু হার্ডওয়্যার। ওকে, in other words hardware are the physical parts, ঠিক আছে? Okay, now in other words we can say that hardware are the physical parts. The visible hardware's units of a computer system are input, output, processing and storage. Okay, that we can see, that is input, output, processing and storage. So as we know that physical parts that we can see and touch, I already have told you that আমরা feel করতে পারি, ঠিক আছে? That is called hardware. Okay, now turn your page everyone. Input device. Now what is input device? An input device is a computer hardware unit which takes input from users and fills it into the computer. There are many input devices, some of which are described below. Okay, that means input device হলো যার মাধ্যমে আমরা কম্পিউটারে কোনো তথ্য নির্দেশ দিতে পারি। Okay, that's called input device. Okay, so now we can understand that input device is a computer hardware unit which takes input from users and fits it into the computer. Okay, now first one we can see that here is keyboard. You can see the picture of a keyboard. Look, it is the most common input device which has many keys through which we fit input into the computer. Okay, next one you can see mouse. Here the mouse picture. Okay, a mouse is an input device. We all know because these are all input device. We gave instruction. Okay, and it has shown by computer. We can see it, isn't it? A computer is an input device which has two or more. Okay, now which has two or more buttons on it. It is used to interact with pictures, programs and icons on a computer desktop. A mouse is also used to select, drag and drop objects by pointing and clicking buttons. Okay, that means mouse is a input device. Input device means the device that are used to give instructions to a computer. Okay, remember it first. Which has two or more buttons. See, the mouse, it has two buttons. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to press it and it show the result in your monitor. Okay, or computer desktop, whatever you use. and it also used for select, drag or drop objects by pointing and clicking buttons. Now the next input device is scanner. See this picture of a scanner. This is a scanner. Okay, a scanner is like a photocopy machine which copies text or images into a computer from paper. In a mother tongue we can say এটা অনেকটা ফটোকপি যে মেশিনগুলো হয় তার মতনই দেখতে, যেটা আমাদের কি করে যে কোনো ছবি বা যে কোনো লেখা কিন্তু কপি করতে সাহায্য করে। ওকে, কম্পিউটার থেকে পেপারে, ঠিক আছে। ওকে, নাও the next one, joystick. A joystick is also a pointing input device. It has a lever which can move in any direction. It also has 2 or more buttons. It is used for playing games. Actually this is a joystick. See, it's mainly used for playing games. Okay, we many of them we have see it in whenever we play games we use this. Nowadays it's not using too much. Okay, so joystick is also an input device. Okay, and it has a lever which can move in a direction. Okay, now output device. What is output device? Output device, that device give the results. Like input device, we have already read that the devices that are used to give instruction to a computer, but output devices, the devices that give the results. An output device is a computer hardware which gives us the result or the output. There are many output devices, some of which are described below. That means এই ইউনিটে আমাদের কিন্তু প্রেজেন্ট করে প্রসেসড হয় এবং আমাদের ইনফরমেশনগুলোকে সেটা কিন্তু রেজাল্টের মাধ্যমে আমরা কম্পিউটারে দেখতে পাই। ওকে, নাও মনিটর। হোয়াট ইজ মনিটর? আ মনিটর ইজ অ্যান আউটপুট ডিভাইস which looks like a television set. See, it's look like a television set, no? It works with a video card located inside the computer case. It displays images and text on the screen. In your mother tongue, I can explain you that a monitor, it's a output একটা ডিভাইস যেটা নাকি অনেকটা কিন্তু আমাদের টিভির মতো দেখতে, এবং এটা কিভাবে কাজ করে একটা ভিডিও কার্ডের মাধ্যমে, যেটা কিন্তু আমাদের কম্পিউটারের মধ্যেই সেটা থাকে সেটা, ঠিক আছে। এবং এটা দ্বারা আমরা কি বিভিন্ন ছবি এবং আমরা যে কোনো কিছু টাইপ করি সেটা কিন্তু আমরা স্ক্রিনের মাধ্যমে সেটা আমরা দেখতে পাই। ওকে, see you then in next class. Till then, learn these all things. Okay.